This is an American Series 5200. I had a couple of these. I bought this one about, I don't know, half a year ago. I haven't had it on camera, but anyway, it's made in XEN, which is March of 01. It's completely original, no tampering with the core. It's only a 5-pin, and these are not that hard to pick, actually. There we go. Yeah, one more time. Yeah, you get the idea. This one contains what is it, 4 serrateds and 1 serrated spool in the second position, as it came from the factory back in March of 01. So that's it, nothing special. Great lock, heavy, really solid. I like these ones. Anyway, thanks for watching, and that's the key for it. For those of you who would like to know, nothing special about that. It does work. Okay, thanks for watching, and see you soon.